Hi guys, this is Shyam and we are going to talk about a job opportunity. So this job opportunity only is limited for engineering graduates and diploma engineering graduates. So right now the condition is like most of them are struggling to find a jobs for mostly for freshers in a decent company and such. So this is I think this will be a better opportunity for them to find and grow a career out of their out of their education. So the company name is BYD Electronics. So BYD Electronics is a major manufacturer for electric vehicles and EV battery packs and all. So they are like a major player in the electrical industry. They have like electric trucks and electric forklifts and electric buses running in the domestic and the abroad also. So right now they are recruiting only engineering graduates and diploma graduates. So they're like if you're BE Tech or a diploma in EC or triple E or a mechanical or any field, and you should be the criteria is you should be passed out in 2020, 2021, 2022. So these are the basic qualifications. It's just basically like a walk-in interview. So everything I think the photo you can see it's given right. The time is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the address of the plant is also given. You can just walk along with your resume and your photo should be there available and your Aadhaar card. So and if possible xerox copy of your certificates also can be useful. And you can just directly go to the venue and you can avail this opportunity. So I hope you find this really useful, guys. So do subscribe my channel if you really find this information useful, and share it with your friends so that this information can be useful to them. And if you really like this content, please like, comment and share. So thank you, guys.